Welcome to SouthernCrossGO. My name's Grant. Now in this video I'm just going to show you 10 different Indonesian dishes out around where I live, and yeah, just show you what it's like and how cheap it is. Okay, let's watch the video. Okay, so this is nasi kuning. Now kuning means yellow in Indonesian, so nasi kuning is just, nasi means cooked rice, so just yellow rice. Actually rice, the actual name for rice in Indonesian is beras, but if it's cooked then it's nasi. Okay, normal food what we eat is just warung food and that all the time, because we're not in the tourist area and there's really no restaurants around here. So this is our typical breakfast. It's nasi kuning, which is yellow rice, which is like, it's got turmeric in it for the colour, the yellow, and it's cooked with coconut water as well. So it's got a really good taste, nasi kuning. It's a very typical breakfast food in Indonesia. It's got some stringy chicken, some potato, tempeh, some jackfruit and a boiled egg. So I'll show you what I do. Normally just break up the egg. Because I'm a diabetic, so I can't really eat too much rice. So I only get a little bit. So half of that rice is enough for me. Just mix it all together. And that's it. The way I figure it, you mix it all together, it's going to end up like that in your guts anyway. And bon appetit. Nasi kuning, really good taste. It's way different to just white rice, so yeah, nasi kuning. Make sure you try it. Okay, so this is ayam betutu. It's probably the most famous Balinese dish. So you get like eggs and chicken and some veggies and different stuff all mixed with it. It's called ayam betutu and it's a special taste. They only make it in Bali, and yeah, it's good stuff. If you're in Bali, you got to try ayam betutu. Okay, so this is ayam betutu, chicken betutu. It's a Balinese dish. It's just chicken, vegetables, eggs, some peanuts, sambal, little satays. It's very cheap, tastes beautiful. Ayam betutu, it's a beautiful taste. Yeah, it's about $15,000, $1.50. So it just shows you how cheap, if you want to, you can eat in Bali. Okay, so we're just here having breakfast. And this is soto ayam, chicken. It's like a chicken soup with veggies. See, there's like egg, potato chips, noodles, rice, chicken, and it's in like a turmeric based soup. Soto ayam, it's cheap. It's about $1.50 maybe. Okay, so this is rawon. It's like a meat soup and you eat it with a salted egg. Rawon. So we're here at our favourite little nasi pecel. It's like rice and chicken and stuff like that, and then with a peanut sambal or peanut sauce, which is really good. So we're going to get some of that. Okay, so we got our dinner. Most of the time it's just cheaper and easier to buy it than even make it, because by the time you buy ingredients, well, you can just buy it cheaper. So it's our nasi pecel. Good stuff. It really is good. You got to try nasi pecel. Okay, so this is nasi pecel. So I got prawn and chicken, ayam and udang. So you just get some white rice, get a little corn percadel, and I don't know, what's this, really? Tempeh. This is some tempeh. As you can see, you get some little prawns, a bit of chicken, and some spinach or tapioca, and some bean sprouts, and the pecel sauce, which is really good. And it's like a sambal, but it's just got peanut in it with it, so it's a peanut flavoured sambal. It's really good, really good. I like this way better than normal sambal. So you might to get a bit of rice, bit of a prawn, bit of veggie, dip it in the sambal and the peanut sauce. That's it, nasi pecel. such a good taste with the peanut. You got to try nasi pecel. So this is gado-gado. It's like a vegetarian Balinese dish, Indonesian dish. It's like tofu, tempeh, eggs, lettuce, beans, tomato, carrots, potato with a peanut sauce. Good stuff. It's about $1.50, 15,000. Yeah, Torong. And ayam.
Nasi sama itu barang apa? Tahu.
And the kentang, tempeh. So you just pick what you want and then they charge you by what you get. And telur satu. And that's it. And we'll see what it is. Sudah, sambal.
Sambal.
So I got like an egg, torong, which is like eggplant, some tempeh, carrots and potato, omelette, some chicken, and a little bit of rice, and that was 18,000, which is like $1.80. So that just shows how cheap you can eat if you want. So 3 meals like this a day, which will cost you $5 or $6 to eat for a day. Alright, so we got martabak for dinner. It's more or less like a pastry with egg and meat and veggies and that on the inside. Two of them was, one was 18,000, one was, which is $1.80, the other one was $2.50, 25,000. Good stuff. Now you normally eat them with green chilli. So you get your green chilli, bite on some green chilli, eat your martabak. Really good stuff. I think it's originally maybe even Indian food, martabak, but chili first, martabak second. Beautiful stuff. Cheap, it's a good food, and yeah, they're addictive actually. Okay, so this is nasi bakar. It's just rice and chicken and everything wrapped in banana leaf and then grilled. So the rice and everything's already cooked. Let's open up the package. We'll have a little look. Just look at that. It's chicken and some veggies like kangkung and yeah, some sambal, and it's just with rice. And when it's grilled in the banana, it sort of gives that banana leaf bit of flavour through the meat and all that. And yeah, it's really good. It's the same as any other nasi campur type thing. It's just been grilled in the banana leaf, which gives it a little bit extra flavour. It's really good, eh? Now you don't really see it everywhere, nasi bakar, but yeah, if you see it, try it because it's really worth trying. Bon appetit. So this is choto Makassar. It's like a soup. It's got beef in it. It's not soto, it's choto. It's pronounced C-O-T-O, and it's from Sulawesi, Makassar food. Okay, so best with this, you mix a bit of lemon with it, and a little bit of sambal. Make it a bit spicy. And that's it, choto Makassar. So every now and then you might just want a little bit of Western food. There's also pizzas and burgers out here. Check out how cheap they are. Just check that out. Meat Lovers Pizza, 35,000, $3.50. Just shows you the difference between out here and the tourist area. So in the tourist area you'd be paying 80 or 100,000. Very good. Good stuff. Okay, so this is where we get our burgers. They're really good and they're really cheap. So I'm going to get a double chicken burger. It's only 19,000, so very cheap. And chips are 10,000. And yeah, we got hot dogs, burgers, chicken. Right, 3 hamburgers and chips, 67,000, $7 cheap. Okay, so for $6.70 you got a box of chips, 3 burgers, and these are what they're like, look. It's a double chicken, not bad burgers at all. Got American cheese, just try it out. Got lettuce and tomato on that on it. About the best value burger in town. Okay, so if you like that video, you know the drill. Thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe and all that. See you in the next video.